If you are a creator looking for music to go with whatever you've created, maybe visual, you can use 11 Labs as a last resort, maybe even as a first. It really depends on what you're looking for. Let's jump into 11 Labs. Right here in 11 Labs, what you need to do is put in a prompt that describes your music. So it says, describe your song. So watch this. I'm going to show you how to go to philc.net and use my prompters on philc.net to get some really coherent prompts that 11 Labs will understand, something that will bring the life out of it. So let's go to AI Music Tools. And under AI Music Tools, I have all these prompters like environment generators. Let's come over here and go to R&B and soul. Let's just use it as it is. I like what's here, contemporary R&B, children relaxed. Let's go for medium. Let's hit generate prompt. Boom, there's our prompt. Copy the prompt, go into 11 Labs, paste that in there, and just say, maybe in the beginning, a song about creating music and how fun. Very informal. Okay, so let's go to lyrics. Okay, so we can use auto or custom. So I can just make my words a song. I could say, I love to write songs. I love to create. I love to make music every single day. It's like breeze to me, wild and free. You get the idea. Could go on, but I'm just going to leave it like that. So we've got the lyrics in there. Let's put a chorus. Let's see if it understands tags. Chorus. Wild and free. Creating is to me like freedom in the sky. My oh my, I love to create. That's my date all day long. Create new songs. Okay, so I've done the lyrics, the duration. Oh, this is quite good. So let's say I want it to be 3 minutes, which is round about what great songs or hit songs typically are. Variants, you can get up to 4. That's not bad. All right. So I've chosen my variants and I've chosen the lyrics. Wow, this is going to cost me half of my credits for the month. All right, let's go. Let's do it. So you hit that button, and once you hit that button, it seems like the work begins. So, okay, wow, it's already cooking the intro, so I can start playing it right now. That's kind of cool. All right, let's play it. That's clean. That sounds quite clean. Okay.
I love to write songs, I love to create. I love to make music every single day. It's like a breeze to me, wild and free. my day all day long. Create new songs.
It's not a bad mix.
I love to write songs, I love to create, I love to make music. Every single day, it's like a breeze to me. Wild and free, so wild and free. Creating is to me, it's what it means. Like freedom in the sky, up high, my oh my.
All right. Well,
I love to create.
I mean, it's come a long way from where I left it some months back. You know, some months back, it wasn't sounding very coherent at all. But I think it's considerably better. I mean, it's not bad. Not bad.
Create new songs.
At least it's coherent and it's on key. You know what I'm saying? It's coherent and it's on key. Well, 11 Labs, you're catching up. You're catching up. I don't know if the others are going to let you catch up with them, but you sure are doing a great job. Not bad. Let's give 11 Labs a try in a few more months, and I'm sure that they would have definitely caught up considerably with a lot of the competition. It's on key, it's on pitch. You can hear the instruments. The mix isn't bad. I ain't got no complaints. All right, my friends, what do you think? Go in, try 11 Labs. You can get in there for free, and you can begin using their tool and see what it does.